Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G-Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And yeah, here's the Tote-cuzzi. It's still here. I was thinking about jumping in it today. No, I don't think so. It's still a little too cool. It's in the mid to upper 60s today. Nice, clear skies. No geoengineering going on anywhere. Not a single streak in the sky. So either it's not cold up there, according to some people, or maybe there's nobody flying at all today. There's zero airplanes in the sky, or maybe the geoengineers took a day off. It could be one of the three, right? All right. So anyway, I'm getting an early start on my video today because I got a lot to do, and I had to go to town today and pick up the remainder of the materials needed for my neighbor's roof. And I got that all in the van right now. And I want to show you something else. I've had a few questions on how Tomcat's doing. We'll get to that in a second. But right here, this is a package I got from Pulesjet, Pulesjet. And you can check him out on my comment section. You'll see him down there. And hop over to his channel, take a look at what he's doing over there. But anyway, he sent me this package of stuff that he didn't need anymore. And I'm going to take a look at it because I haven't even opened it yet. And I've had this here probably 4 or 5 days now. And I haven't had a chance to open it because of everything else that's been going on. So I'm going to get this thing opened right now. Oh, look at this. He packed it up really nice. So, let's see if I can get this out of here one-handed. So it's a 20 amp solar controller. And let's get this box opened. Oh, is it taped shut? Doesn't seem to be. I think it's... Oh, it opens from the end. Dummy. Yeah, I talk to myself every now and then. So anyway, let's see what's inside of here. There we go. A PWM controller. Solar charge controller. Looks like a nice little unit. Solar battery and load like they're supposed to have. And I'll have to check that out. Now these items that I'm showing you here, if I don't have a use for them, they will actually become a giveaway item on the channel. And we'll have a little contest and see how that works out. So let's see if I can get this one open now. Okay, this one looks like it's going to open from the top. So I'm going to cut the tape here. When Pulesjet told me that he had some stuff to send me, originally he mentioned that they were MPPT controllers, but then he couldn't find those. He thought that a family member might have borrowed them permanently or something. So anyway, yeah, here's another one. Nice little unit. From 2016, August 25th, 2016 says I guess when he got it. There's what we're looking at. So it just basically doesn't have any readout on it at all. It's just input output. Solar panel working light. Charging light. Well, maybe the cover comes off of this somehow. I'm not going to play with it right now. I'll get to that some other time. But anyway, thank you, Pulesjet, and we'll see if we can send some people over there, take a look at what you've got going, and make some comments. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is head over to Tomcat's area, because I've had a few people ask me how Tomcat's doing. And I mentioned that he comes by every day and uses his condo here. I've got this door held open with a little block of wood here so that he can get in and out from this side if he wants to without any problem and without spooking him. But this is what I find every day. Okay, you can see he's used this litter box, and on this side, let me get this open. You can see he's been into his food and his water. And I think he's sleeping inside of here because I see the cloth in there is moved around. So during the night, he comes in here, eats, stays warm and safe and protected. And I'll be fixing all of this stuff up pretty soon. Today I'm going to clean it all out. But I'm going to go around the other side of the cabin because I want to show you he has decided that he's going to hang around here. And that makes sense because there's really no place for him to go. So he's going to hang around here. He knows he's got food. He knows he's got shelter. Knows he's got water. Knows he's got a good place to sleep. And it's nice temperatures right now. But I'm going to come around this way because what he's been doing during the day here is my outdoor shower right over there. He's inside of there on the floor, laying on the floor, sunning himself. And that's where he hangs out during the day. So I'm going to come up around here and then zoom in so you can get a look at him without trying to spook him. Because I don't want to spook him and get him scared about being around. There you go. You can see him right down there on the floor. You see the big ball of white fluff. And he's laying down right now looking out from under the door, making sure that everything is safe and secure. But that's what he does during the day now. He comes out and lays there. And then at night he goes out and does his hunting. And then goes into the the cage when it gets too cold, into his little condo. And he rests and eats and uses the facilities. And then comes back out the next day. So that's the update on Tomcat, and I'm glad he's happy. All right, so because I got up this morning and it was cold out this morning still, it was 34 when I got up. I came down here to check the garden house out, and I was going to open up the or lift the cover off of my tangerine tree, but it was too cold still, so I said, well, I'll do that when I come back. So let's go in here and do that, and I'll show you what I was talking about. Okay, here's the plastic bucket sitting over the top of my tangerine tree. So I can pull that out of there, and look, the tangerine tree is wet and warm, and the ground is wet underneath. So it's sweating its own moisture from this thing heating up in the sunlight and getting on the plants. But I got to get some light to these leaves during the day so that they do their thing with photosynthesis, and that's what they're doing. So it looks like it's going to be a healthy winter for this one this year. And I'm going to have to get a bigger bucket to cover this thing with, so I'll have my eyes out looking for that. I've got a measurement on a piece of paper of the inside of this unit, and I'm looking for a plastic tote that's just the right size to fit inside of there, so that sunlight can come through the tote, and the cold can't really get into there, and it holds the heat in a little bit better, but gives this a little bit more room. So I want something that's going to be probably 18 inches deep, and then it's got to be 22 by 18 to fit down inside of here. And I'll see what I've got laying around or at the friend's house that I've been helping out with. There might be something there that I could use, but otherwise everything's looking real nice and happy as I showed you yesterday. We're going to come down here real quick before I cut this off and start doing my chores. I got some of them done today. I got everything in here watered. But look at these carrots. Wowee. I watered them yesterday, and they apparently really like that because they're propping up real quick. So everything is really nice in here. It's right now outside it's probably 65 degrees, and the inside here it's 106. So and that's with the door open. So yeah, look at these plants. They're just springing up like crazy. Hey, spring. Hey, plants, it's spring. I may fool them. Don't tell them. All right, so here we go. So everything's looking real good, and you have to excuse me while I stop and have a lettuce leaf. And I'm going to cut this video off and say thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be putting the packet, the seed packet group together. And if I feel like it, I might shoot another video later today. It'll be a shorter video just giving some information about the next seed giveaway. All right, everybody. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember, you have to be a subscriber to get in on that seed giveaway and all of the other giveaways. If you're not a subscriber, you are not eligible. It's free to subscribe, doesn't cost you anything. So you're not going to have to pay for entering the contests or entering the fun contests. All you have to do is click subscribe below the video. Thanks for joining me. This is G Bear signing off.